Hemoglobinopathies Part 1. Feel free to pause the video to give yourself time to answer the questions. How many hemes are in each hemoglobin molecule? There are 4 heme porphyrins that are able to bind 4 molecules of oxygen. What are the globin chains found in hemoglobin A? Hemoglobin A comprises approximately 98% of the hemoglobin found in a normal adult. Hemoglobin A is made up of 2 alpha and 2 beta chains. The other 2% of hemoglobin found in a normal adult consists of hemoglobin A2. What are the globin chains found in hemoglobin A2? Hemoglobin A2 is composed of 2 alpha and 2 delta globin chains. How much fetal hemoglobin should be present in the normal adult? Fetal hemoglobin, like its name suggests, should be present in the fetal period and only comprise approximately 1% of adult hemoglobin. Fetal hemoglobin consists of 2 alpha and 2 gamma globin chains. What are the 3 classifications of hemoglobin disorders? Hemoglobin disorders can be broken down into 2 major classifications: qualitative and quantitative defects. Qualitative defects are those that affect the qualitative or structure of hemoglobin. This is usually due to a missense mutation in one or more globin chains. Quantitative defects result in reduced synthesis of globin chains. What is the most common type of mutation in hemoglobinopathies? Missense mutations, although deletions are common in alpha thalassemia. What is the mutation that causes sickle cell disease? A missense mutation that results in the switch from glutamate to valine at the 6th position of the beta-globin chain. What is the hemoglobin profile in sickle cell disease? Hemoglobin S is typically greater than 80% and hemoglobin F is less than 20%. If hemoglobin F is greater than 20%, think of hydroxyurea treatment or hereditary persistence of fetal hemoglobin. Hemoglobin A2 should range between 3 to 8%. Does hemoglobin S have normal oxygen carrying affinity? Hemoglobin S has normal oxygen carrying affinity until sickling occurs. What is the lifespan of sickle cells? The lifespan of sickle cells is approximately 10 to 20 days. Remember that the average lifespan of an RBC is 120 days. How is hemoglobin A1C affected by sickle cell disease? Hemoglobin A1C gives an indication of the glucose levels over an approximate 3-month time period, therefore the lifespan of the RBC will affect the hemoglobin A1C level. Since sickle cells have a decreased lifespan, sickle cell disease lowers hemoglobin A1C. What are alternative forms of testing to hemoglobin A1C in sickle cell disease? Glycated albumin or the fructosamine assay. I hope you enjoyed this video. To get updates when similar videos become available, please consider liking and subscribing.